Assalamu alaikum. So welcome back to my another video. So in today's video I'm going to share with you guys some really cool masks with you all guys, for the guys who are in the age of 90s or 20s. So in first one you have to take some Multani Mitti, and in that you add some honey, and what you have to do is you have to mix together and apply on your face, and after 20 minutes you can wash it off with cold water. So that's very beneficial for your skin. So in second mask I'll share with you guys, you have to take some coffee on in the plate, and you can add some basin in that mixture and in that coffee, and what you have to do is 2 tablespoons of coffee. In that you have to take 1 tablespoon of basin, and in that mixture you have to take some aloe vera and mix it all together and apply on your face. And it also after 20 minutes you can wash with cold water. And third mask, what you have to do is you take Multani Mitti and add some essential oil. I'll tell you, add some sunflower essential oil in that Multani Mitti, and you have to take Multani Mitti. Is just really मतलब इतनी मज़े की चीज़ है, गर्मियों में आपके फेस को बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडक मिलेगी, और इवन आप अपने बालों में भी लगा सकते हो गाइस, बहुत अच्छी चीज़ होती है. So yeah, and you have to take some sunflower essential oil in that Multani Mitti and mix it together and apply on your face, और मतलब इतना मज़ा ही आ जाएगा आपके फेस को, और 20 मिनट बाद आप वॉश कर सकते हैं. It just give you nice glow on your face and creates all the goodness on your skin. So yeah, that's it is for today's video. I hope you can like my content and like my videos on my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon as well. It's give me a really good amount of courage to making a new video. So yeah, that's the video for today. Allah Hafiz guys.